Transform raw meeting transcripts into clear summaries, track decisions, and uncover action items using AI-powered step-by-step reasoning. We're building a smart tool that reads meeting transcripts, summarizes key points, tracks decisions, and highlights what's still up in the air, all using AI reasoning. First up, we're importing the libraries we'll need. This includes OS, which helps us work with environment variables and system settings. Now we're bringing in .env to load our API keys, the ChatOpenAI class for talking to GPT, prompt template for crafting prompts, and store output parser to handle the AI's responses. Let's go ahead and load our environment variables so our script can securely access the OpenAI API key. Here, we're setting the OpenAI _API _key in our environment, pulling it from the .env file. This keeps our credentials safe and out of the code. Next, we're creating a variable called meeting _transcript. This will hold the text of our sample meeting so the AI has something to analyze. Here's our actual meeting transcript. It's a conversation between James, Emily, and Carlos discussing login issues, solutions, and some open questions. Now we're setting up a prompt template. This is how we'll tell the AI exactly what kind of summary and analysis we want from the transcript. We're defining input underline variables so the template knows to expect a transcript. The template itself starts by telling the AI it's a meeting assistant. We're guiding the AI step by step. First, find the main topics, then who suggested what, list the decisions, and finally call out anything unresolved. This part inserts our actual transcript into the prompt so the AI knows what to analyze. We're telling the AI exactly how to format its answer, with clear sections for topics, proposals, decisions, and unresolved issues. This keeps the output structured and easy to read. Now we're initializing the language model. We're using GPT 4.1 mini with a low temperature for more focused, reliable answers. Here, we're chaining everything together: the prompt, the language model, and the output parser, so the transcript flows through the whole reasoning pipeline. Let's run the chain. We're passing in our meeting _transcript, and the AI will process it using our step-by-step reasoning prompt. Finally, we print out the AI's structured summary and decisions. Let's check the output and see how well it captured the meeting. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel.